Here's the old one we took off. Had a cracked chamber. Let's see. But yeah. Alright guys, gotta get back to work. Alright, it's a 3-ton 14 Seer Coleman UPG York. Same thing, we painted the elbow for them. Condensate is painted, strapped to the leg of the unit. Thing painted per code. Got our gas, flex, our 3/4 inch for high voltage, 1/2 inch for low voltage. But yeah, it looks good. Got the heater running right now. It's pretty quiet. I just shut off. So they put in these units, these like sickle blades, but it keeps the noise down on the AC. But yeah, we're done. I didn't get a before picture, but nothing to it but to do it.